We all know there are many differences between humans and animals. The ability to use advanced tools or cook our food is one thing that sets us apart. Many people feel that animals aren't capable of having the same emotions as humans. As a result, those people don't always feel the need to treat animals as well as they treat humans. Is this a correct way to think about things though? Or is it just a misunderstanding of how animals think about things? For example, are animals capable of feeling grief when a loved one dies? The feeling of grief can be hard to stomach for a person who experiences tragedy. Everyone grieves in a different way too. Some people shut down, and the other people try to forget about the tragedy. New studies show that animals go through a similar process when a loved one dies.